Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be playing in the Dragon Isle and Prodigy, so let's get into the video. Alright, so as you can see, I have access to the Dragon Isle. This was given to me by Prodigy. So we are going to go ahead and get into it. It says, wow, is that Dragon Isle? I thought it was just a legend. Now, when Dragon Isle comes out, you are going to have to go and do a battle, which will get you a Rift Key, and then that will allow you to get access to Dragon Isle. So we are going to go ahead and go into Dragon Isle. It says, why did this show up now? Does this have something to do with the keystones? Well, now that it's here, let's check it out. I heard that there are some rare pets that live here. Let's go ahead and check it out. So, we are now going to be entering Dragon Isle, where it puts us here. And it says, Pipit, where is my new outfit? Why is it putting us in here? So Pipit is going to get the Puppet Master his new outfit. And I think we're gonna... Okay, that is the new Puppet Master. I really like that. That looks really cool. So that is what the Puppet Master is going to look like. And we are going to get to battle him later. Or like, not this video, but in a few videos. But we are going to see the Puppet Master go to the Dragon Isle. And yes, so we are here. I hear something, quick hide. And here is the Puppet Master right here in his new form, which looks so cool with these special dragon orbs. That portal will take us straight to the most powerful dragons. He puts in a dragon orb, which is a new thing, and it says amazing, and they'll just come and help us. No, of course not, you dolt. We'll need to tame them first, so you'd better bring your strongest minions. Wait, I was supposed to bring something, Pipit? Yeah, I'm just not gonna read this, because I've already read it before. So we are going to be entering the rift. We'd better follow them and find our own orb. The Puppet Master's plans can't come true. So here we are going to enter the Dragon Rift. So we already have 100 keys somehow. Not sure how, but yeah, let's go ahead and get into a rift. So there's not really anything interesting to battle here, so I'm just going to choose this one. And I'm going to change my pets to Storm. And yeah, let's go. So here we are. I have my Storm pets on. I probably should have put on better gear. And there we go, already 2 taken out. The pets are not strong, by the way. None of them are. But yeah. You have to do like 3 of these. I guess I'll do all 3. And it's surprising that you get like buddies as rewards. That's really cool. There's supposed to be some other really cool stuff you can get. We'll do this one. I don't really care about my pets anymore. So we can get a Lagoon Shade from this, but I'm not going to. And our things are already like fully powered. 577. So we should just be able to take them both out with this. Maybe. Yeah, we did not. But as you can see, you can catch both of these pets. These are very rare pets. So the fact that you can catch them is really cool. I do have a video coming out about that next week. And I'm not going to be doing a lot in this video because I kind of want to get it out quick. But, I will be doing a lot more of these, so if you're new, make sure to like and subscribe, because you will not want to miss the Dragon Isle videos that I am going to be posting. But yeah, let's keep going along with this. This should be the last one we have to do. Let's finish off the Aquaster. There we go, 469. And so we will spin our lucky loot. You can get a dragon orb from this. They might be a little rare, because it used to be when you could get early access to it through hacks that there was like something different, like sort of like the ruins in Harmony Island, but those are not there anymore. It says, wow, that was amazing, where did we just go, and did you see that rare pet? I bet we can find more of them. We've already seen this before. That will surely help us, yeah. So now I'm going to be going over everything that's like sort of in the Dragon Isle, because Prodigy, one of their employees, emailed me. He was the one that got me early access to it, along with some other creators, Mr. Inquiry, Prodigy Math Game Player, and KXP Gaming. Go check them out after this. But yeah, let's go ahead and see everything about the updates. So yeah, I'm not editing this at all. But it says, we are thrilled to announce our biggest update yet, featuring the new Legend of Dragon Isle, a brand new game mode in Prodigy. Your access to Dragon Isle should be live in the next hour. Because the trailer came out at 1, they sent this email at 1, and then I got it at 2. So it says below are the details. What's new? A new island has appeared. With a mighty step forward, your wizard embarks on a new adventure to uncover the mystery of Dragon Isle along with its ferocious inhabitants. Dragon Isle is an endless game mode, meaning that you should be able to play it forever, where you enter a rift to start your journey. When you enter a rift, you can battle up to 3 groups of pets, each rift with different magical challenges. This mode is endless, with new mix-ups each time. But there's a twist. The wizard and all their opponents will be given magical mix-ups. To help them through this rift, you need to choose your pets carefully. Each one can only be used per rift. If you succeed, you'll get the rift's reward. Reach higher level rifts to gain access to a dragon orb, the item needed to enter the dragon realm and witness the biggest battle yet, which will be the Shadow Dragon, which is literally huge. I will be showing that in a few minutes. So it's how to play Dragon Isle. Dragon Isle will open on the world's map once you find your first rift key, which you can get by just going into Firefly Forest and doing a battle. You can also go into any other place to get a rift key. So it says, getting rift keys, you'll need a rift key to access the new rift gameplay. You can find these in post-battle or by winning rift runs. You can start finding rift keys in post-battle loot after you recover your first keystone in Firefly Forest. Difficulty levels. As you collect more keystones and defeat the Puppet Master, new difficulty levels will unlock. Dragon Unlock. Defeat the Puppet Master to unlock dragons. Dragon Orbs. Use Dragon Orbs to access dragons through the same portal as rift runs. Even these orbs earn these orbs by completing rifts. Higher level rifts face stronger pets and tougher challenges in higher level rifts for better rewards, like dragon orbs to reach each realm. So this update also comes with a brand new treasure track, which is going to be centered around the dragons. So this treasure track will go on the 15th, which is when everyone will be getting access to the Dragon Isle. So now I'm going to be showing you some images. I probably should not have shown that, but let's go ahead and look at these images. So here we are going to press on Dragon Isle, and we will get to see some images. So here is the Astral Dragon. This is the Puppet Master, like sort of I think this might be the loading screen splash. It looks so cool. We also have the Ice Dragon. This is what the Puppet Master looks like. This is his surprise, this is his sad, this is the Physical Dragon, this is the Plant Dragon, this is what the Puppet Master, like, sort of looks like. I don't know what this is going to be used for. This is the Shadow Dragon, this is, like, it talking and stuff. Here's the Storm Dragon, here's the Water Dragon. Now we also have some other stuff to look at. So here's an image inside of Dragon Isle. You've already seen this. That's it on the map. You've already seen that. This is you choosing your team. This is what a Dragon Rift looks like. You've seen that. But there are going to be rewards. You saw something like that. Rare pets okay. So there are only like certain pets that you can catch, I guess. But you will also be able to get buddies like this. Not super happy that they're only like... Wait, never mind. I don't know what I'm talking about. This image is super cool. This is battling the Shadow Dragon, which has 2,995 health. And you can see that the wizard and the pets are super small, just to like show how big the Shadow Dragon is. I love this background so much. It looks super cool. This is Legend of Dragon Isle, August 15th. I don't know if the dragon like gets conquered by the Puppet Master. I don't believe he does, or judging by something that I read yesterday in Prodigy's code. And then this is an image of the Puppet Master that I believe was in the trailer. I assume you've probably already seen that. This was also from the trailer. And then this was also from the trailer, but this looks super cool. But yeah, that is going to go ahead and end up the video. If you guys enjoyed, make sure to like and subscribe so you can see the next gameplay videos that I do for it, and bye.